Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be diving into the new ANASTASIA Jackie Aina palette. I created this look right here that you guys are seeing. If you like to see how I completed this look, then just please keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to be playing with the new ANASTASIA Jackie Aina palette. This palette is literally gorgeous. They really killed it with the packaging. Hoping the camera can pick it up, but it's just like this almost like holographic duochrome. I like it how it's like this like alligator skin. It has like nice little texture with it. Normally Anastasia palettes have like that like suede fuzzy feeling, but I really like the texture on this. It's really pretty. Now the colors inside are freaking gorgeous. These are the shades. They're so pretty and they swatch so pretty. They're so buttery and they're just like literally like one little tap and you just have this like pigment all over your eyes. So I think today I want to do like, I want to stick to like the more warmer tones, even though the pinks and the purples are calling my name, but really haven't done a like warm tone look in a while, so I think we're gonna go with that. So we're always gonna prime, so I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Potion Primer. As always, I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then the other off camera. The first shade we're gonna go into is Ginger, which is this lash shade right here on the corner, and we're just gonna go ahead and just use the brush that it comes with it. That's one thing that I do appreciate with Anastasia palettes. Pretty much all the time they always come with a brush in it, so that's always nice to kind of build up your collection. And I really do like her blending brushes because they blend really nicely. So we're just gonna go right into the crease and we're just gonna build this color up. But we're just gonna keep blending until we arm falls off. Like I said, we're just gonna keep this nice and high in the crease and then just slightly get these little edges so they're seamless and nice and blended. So now once we have that nice and blended out, we are gonna go in with the next shade, Edges. That's this shade right here. And then we're just gonna go in with the same little blending brush. We're just gonna go in there once, tap off, and then we're just gonna get right here in the outer and kind of build that crease up so you can get some more definition. And it's just gonna give this really pretty like terracotta shade. Perfect for the fall time. I love these type of shades because you can just literally wear them like any day of the year. Alrighty, so once we've added edges, we're gonna go in with Credit. So Credit we're gonna use on the same brush, but we're gonna turn it around and we're gonna use this flat side and we're just gonna really build up this outer V area. Alrighty, so with the same brush, we're just gonna turn around with the flat edge and we're gonna go into the shade Credit. We're gonna dunk it a couple times on both sides and top off the excess. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep it right here in the inner V area so that we can really get some depth and make this a really fun smoky look. So what I'm doing is I'm just keeping it, packing it in. And once I have the area that I like it in, I'm going to then blend it out. And then we're just going to lightly blend it into the crease just a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, it's just being a little bit weird back here, so I'm not sure what's going on, but we'll make it work. This is what we have so far. It's really pretty, really sultry. So now next step, we're just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of concealer. We're going to cut the crease. Alrighty, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Alright, so once you have your concealer laid down, we're gonna go in with the shade Trust Issues, which is this middle shade right here. I'm gonna use my finger and I'm just gonna kind of like push it in and then we're just gonna tap it. Just gonna have it right here. And we're just gonna tap it all the way where we lay down our concealer. So if you're doing your eyeshadow after your foundation on, just be careful because the glitter is kind of going everywhere. Alrighty, so now that we have our shade down, now we're just gonna go back in with credit. We're just gonna go in with the flat, smaller side, and we're just going to kind of blend those colors together so that it looks more seamless and it's not such like a harsh line. I'm doing little tapping motions back and forth. Alrighty, so once that's nice and blended out, we are pretty much done with the eye look. The only thing I will say I kind of wish was in this palette is like a bony shade, so I can kind of do a little bit of a highlight. But I'm just gonna go ahead and find a different palette. So I'm gonna go in with the 35H palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here to kind of clean up a little bit of these edges up here. Like I said before, doing a little bony color can help kind of blend out this color right here and also give a little pop to the highlight. Boom. Honestly, I feel like this step right here is just kind of almost like a whiteout for your eyeshadow. It also gives a highlight to your brow, but it also, like I said before, it gives kind of like, if you kind of went a little bit too high, it gives you kind of like a little bit of a whiteout to blend those shades together. So like I said, that just kind of like cleaned everything up. It's like nice and blended, and like I said, you do get your eyebrow a little bit lifted with that color. So I'm gonna throw on a wing liner, some lashes. I'm gonna finish the other eye and the rest of my face, and we can go on to the lower lash line. Alrighty guys, so here is pretty much the completed look. I put on these really wispy lashes on, and y'all, I'm feeling this look. Oh my god, it's literally, this look can be used any time of the day, any time of the month, 365 days out of the year. So if you're looking for a very sultry, sexy, smoky eye look, this is it, guys. Okay, so before we wrap all of this up, we're gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash line. So we're gonna go in. I'm actually gonna pretty much almost do what I did on the top to the bottom. So I'm gonna go in the shade Ginger. I have like this little tiny like Luxie brush. Actually, this is not the brush I want to use. This is the brush that I want to use. It's this Luxie Mini Round 141. And I'm just gonna go in with a ginger shade, and we're just gonna go right really close to the lower lash line. As close as we can, and then we're gonna kind of slowly drag it down just a little bit. So I didn't do a wing liner. I figured the lashes kind of gave a little depth to the eye, so I just kind of skipped on the liner. If you're wanting to do liner, go for it, girl. So, and then the next step, we're gonna go into edges, and then we're just gonna like so keep it nice and tight to the lash line. My eyes like actually starting to water just a little bit. Go in with like a little like tiny fluffy brush. This is actually another Luxie brush. It's a 121 mini tapered, and I'm just going to kind of help blend those colors together. So here is the completed look, guys. What do you guys think? I'm literally obsessed with this look. It looks so freaking good. Like, whew. I'm like feeling myself right now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I will definitely be doing more makeup looks with this palette. Let me know what type of look I should do next. Should I do like pinks, purples, halo eye, cut crease? Let me know. So that completes today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.